Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, where I share with you the latest and greatest in tech, gadgets, and innovation. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best things I saw in Vegas at CES 2024, the world's largest consumer electronics show. I spent 4 days exploring the massive expo, checking out the most amazing products, prototypes, and concepts from hundreds of exhibitors. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's get started. LG Wing. The LG Wing, a smartphone that can rotate into a T-shape and reveal a second screen. This is not your ordinary smartphone. It's a smartphone that has a lot of features that make it more innovative, versatile, and fun. It has a 6.8-inch OLED main screen that can swivel 90 degrees, a 3.9-inch OLED second screen that can display additional content, and a gimbal motion camera that can capture smooth and stable videos. It also has a Snapdragon 765G processor that can support 5G connectivity, a 32 pop-up selfie camera that can take great selfies, and a 4000 mAh battery that can last for a long time. It also has a dual recording mode that can record from both the front and rear cameras, a multi-app mode that can run 2 apps simultaneously, and a swivel home mode that can access your favorite apps and widgets. This is a smartphone that I would love to rotate. Number 14. LG Rollable OLED TV. The LG Rollable TV, a TV that can roll up and down from a base unit. This is not your ordinary TV. It's a TV that has a lot of features that make it more flexible, convenient, and stylish. It has a 65-inch OLED screen that can produce vivid colors and deep blacks, a Dolby Atmos sound system that can create immersive sounds, and a gallery mode that can display beautiful artworks and photos. It also has a variable screen size that can adjust to different aspect ratios and content types such as full view, line view, and zero view. You can also use it as a smart home hub, a music player, or a gaming screen. This is a TV show that I would love to roll. Samsung Bot Handy. The Samsung Bot Handy, a robot that can help you with household chores. This is a robot that can recognize and handle objects of different shapes, sizes, and weights using its advanced AI and a 3-fingered gripper. It can do things like load the dishwasher, set the table, pour a drink, pick up laundry, and more. It can also respond to your voice commands and gestures and learn from your preferences and habits. This is a robot that I would love to have. Samsung Bot Care. The Samsung Bot Care, a robot that can take care of your health and wellness. This is not your ordinary robot. It's a robot that has a lot of features that make it more caring, helpful, and friendly. It has a display that can show you information and emotions, a camera that can recognize your face and gestures, and a voice assistant that can communicate with you. It can also monitor your vital signs, such as blood pressure and heart rate, and remind you to take your medication, exercise, and rest. It can also help you with your daily tasks, such as scheduling, calling, and ordering. It can also learn from your behavior and preferences, and provide you with personalized suggestions and feedback. This is a robot that I would love to care for me. LG Transparent OLED. The sixth thing that intrigued me was the LG Transparent OLED, a 55-inch display that can become transparent when not in use. This is a display that can blend in with any environment and create new possibilities for entertainment, information, and interaction. You can use it as a window, a partition, a smart home hub, a gaming screen, a digital art frame, and more. You can also adjust the level of transparency to suit your needs and preferences. This is a display that I would love to see. Samsung Jetbot. The Samsung Jetbot, a pet care robot that can look after your furry friends. This is not your ordinary robot. It's a robot that has a lot of features that make it more intelligent, interactive, and fun. It has a camera that can recognize your pet's face and behavior, a speaker and microphone that can play sounds and talk to your pet, and a dispenser that can give treats and toys to your pet. It can also monitor your pet's health and activity and send you alerts and updates. It can also play with your pet and keep them company when you're away. It can also clean up after your pet and avoid any messes or accidents. This is a robot that I would love to look after my pet. LG OLED. The 20th thing that inspired me was the LG OLED Evo, a TV that can elevate your viewing experience with a new level of brightness and clarity. This is not your ordinary TV. It's a TV that has a lot of features that make it more advanced, stunning, and elegant. It has a new OLED panel that can produce brighter and sharper images, a new A9 Gen 4 AI processor that can optimize the picture and sound with AI, and a new gallery stand that can display the TV like a piece of art. It also has a Dolby Vision IQ and Dolby Atmos that can create a cinematic experience, a Weebos 6.0 that can run various apps and services, and a magic remote that can control the TV with voice and gestures. This is a TV that I would love to elevate. Razer Blade 15 Advanced. The Razer Blade 15 Advanced, a gaming laptop that can deliver a high-performance and high refresh rate gaming experience. This is not your ordinary laptop, it's a laptop that has a lot of features that make it more powerful, fast, and sleek. It has a 15.6-inch QHD screen that can support up to 240 Hz refresh rate, a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 GPU that can enable ray tracing and DLSS, and a 10th Gen Intel Core i7 processor that can handle multitasking and streaming. It also has a Razer Chroma RGB keyboard that can customize the colors and effects, a vapor chamber cooling system that can keep the laptop cool and quiet, and a CNC aluminum chassis that can make the laptop durable and lightweight. This is a laptop that I would love to game on. Samsung Neo QLED. The Samsung Neo QLED, a TV that can deliver stunning picture quality with a new backlight technology. This is not your ordinary TV. It's a TV that has a lot of features that make it more advanced, powerful, and elegant. It has a quantum mini LED backlight that can control the brightness and contrast with more precision, a quantum matrix technology that can optimize the color and detail with more accuracy, and a Neo Quantum processor that can enhance the image and sound. Sony Air Peak. The Sony Air Peak, a drone that can carry a full-frame mirrorless camera and capture stunning aerial footage. This is not your ordinary drone. It's a drone that has a lot of features that make it more professional, stable, and agile. It has a quadcopter design that can fly at high speeds and altitudes, a gimbal system that can stabilize the camera and control the angle, and a remote controller that can operate the drone and the camera. It also has a Sony Alpha camera that can shoot high-resolution photos and videos, a Sony Imaging Edge app that can edit and share the footage, and a Sony Air Peak flight app that can plan and monitor the flight. It also has a collision avoidance system that can detect and avoid obstacles, and a wind resistance system that can withstand strong winds. This is a drone that I would love to fly. LG Signature OLED. The LG Signature OLED, a TV that can roll up and down from a base unit. This is not your ordinary TV. It's a TV that has a lot of features that make it more flexible, convenient, and stylish. It has a 65-inch OLED screen that can produce vivid colors and deep blacks, a Dolby Atmos sound system that can create immersive sounds, and a gallery mode that can display beautiful artworks and photos. It also has a variable screen size that can adjust to different aspect ratios and content types, such as full view, line view, and zero view. You can also use it as a smart home hub, a music player, or a gaming screen. This is a TV show that I would love to roll. And that's it, folks. These are the best things I saw in Vegas at CES 2024. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. And there you have it. Friends, the top best things I witnessed at CES 2024 in the dazzling city of Las Vegas. From cutting-edge technology to mind-blowing innovations, this year's Consumer Electronics Show was nothing short of spectacular.